Okay, another civil service exam reviewer. If today is Wednesday, what day will it be after 30 days? So, mga choices, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. Okay, so to solve this, ang kailangan natin gawin, itong given na after 30 days, i-divide lang natin sa 7. Bakit sa 7? Kasi meron tayong 7 days sa isang linggo. So 1 week, so meron tayong 7 days. Okay? So interesado lang tayo sa remainder kapag dinivide natin itong 30 sa 7. Okay? So 30 days, divide lang natin sa 7. 30 divided by 7, that is equal to 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract, therefore, the remainder is 2. So, ibig sabihin, yung after 30 days, tsaka yung after 2 days, parehas lang. Kasi paulit-ulit lang yan. Wednesday, after 1 week, papatak ulit tayo sa Wednesday. So, kukunin lang natin yung remainder. After 30 days ay parehas lang sa after 2 days. So, Wednesday, after 2 days is Thursday, and then next is Friday. So, the correct answer is letter B, Friday. Okay? So, kung meron kayong math question, i-comment nyo lang sa video na ito or i-PM nyo ako sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado. Bye-bye!